Hello, welcome to my channel Supercar Sunday. Today we're going to be starting with a welding job. So this is the job we're going to be welding. It's a Scorper side casing. It's got a crack from the outside in. And to fix this side casing I'll be using the Jasic TIG 200p AC/DC TIG welder. So I'm going to start by cleaning the part with some acetone and some rag. Now I've done that, while that's raised, I'm just going to give it a bit of a dress up and a V out. Next job, I'm going to put a bit of heat into it and see if I can tap it down. Now that's done, I'm going to give it a bit more of a V out. So that's the engine case all welded up and dressed up. Welded with a Jasic 200 AC/DC TIG welder. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.